All right, hey y'all, it's John, and Bitcoin has had not only a rough 24 hours, but kind of a rough month. And let's kind of get an update on what's been going on. So yesterday we talked about the fact that China has put in some new regulations, part of which is to restrict the liquidity of cryptocurrencies, being able to transfer them from crypto into actual cash. And so what we had in a 24-hour period was Bitcoin down, Bitcoin up, and Bitcoin to 500,000. So here's an explanation. First off is, as China's new regulations came in, it put a lot of downward pressure on Bitcoin. And as the Western world came online, it continued. So in the early part of the day, Bitcoin actually hit just over $30,000. Now keep in mind that just 2-3 weeks ago, Bitcoin was over 58,000. All right, so we had something like a 14% drop just in a day. But then some big names in the crypto world came online, including Cathie Wood, who said that Bitcoin is going to go to 500,000. Elon Musk tweeted early in the morning that they were keeping their positions. They had diamond hands. They weren't going to sell off just because it was dropping. And several other big names who can't move the needle quite like Elon Musk can also came out and said that they are sticking firm. Even if their stocks dropped, they were holding firm because they just saw this as a bump, not a major downturn of any sort. That added some confidence back in, and as of Thursday morning, price of Bitcoin is up over 40,000 again. So we had a 14% sell-off and a approximately 9% gain back. So got back almost everything they wanted. But that leaves the question of what does the future hold? And I think it's very safe, like a weatherman, to say that we're going to see continued volatility. But it looks very much like the Chinese regulations were a bump, and everybody kind of stayed firm and kept the confidence back up. That's what you've got when you've got, let's say, an asset class that is based almost exclusively on emotion and whether it's going to continue to grow in popularity and demand. So will be interesting to see what happens the rest of the day. I think we'll see some swings, but I don't think they'll be nearly that big. There's no real indications there's something surprising coming out. There was a little bit of a surprise that Coinbase and I think a couple others actually went down temporarily yesterday, but they got it straightened back out. So things should be pretty smooth today, but we'll see. And if anything pops up, I'll get you an update. Thanks.